This video is showing you how to cut your soccer socks so you can wear them with grippy socks so that they will last. So these are my son's uniform socks, so you can't just go out and buy the pre-cut ones already because they won't match. So what you do here is you cut right underneath where that elastic is, and you cut the foot part off. I then take a lighter and go around the edges, and this will make so the seams don't fray as you're sewing around. Once that's all done, just flip it inside out and fold over your seam. It's about like a ½ inch, maybe a little less, wherever you want it. So the setup on the sewing machine, I don't have a fancy one, so this is just a regular stitch. I made it on the smallest stitch setting possible, just because these socks are stretchy, so that way the seam won't rip. And you're just going to sew right on the edges there, all the way around. And once you finish, you just trim off all the excess and flip them inside out, and you're all set.